Hi there, students. Bankroll can be a noun, a bankroll, or as a verb, to bankroll. Okay, a bankroll, first of all, is a roll, a wad of paper money. So this guy always keeps his bankroll in his front pocket because it's too big to put in his back pocket and sit upon it. Yeah, so a bankroll, a wad of paper money. Yeah, quite a large amount of money that you've got. But then we can also use bankroll as well to talk about the assets of a company. So, I don't know, Barclays Bank have a massive bankroll. Yeah, they have a lot of cash. And they are able to bankroll various different projects. So to bankroll, to finance, to pay for. But notice all of these uses are fairly informal. My parents bankrolled me to go to university to study. My uncle is going to bankroll this project. Okay, it can be difficult in the current climate to get a lender to bankroll a project. Big businessmen find it much easier to get banks or organizations to bankroll their projects. Okay, so bankroll, the wad of money in your pocket. Look at that. Look how rich I am. Or the money that you have, the supply of money, the funds. So the company has a very significant bankroll. Crime syndicates are bankrolling this dictatorship, or blood money is bankrolling this regime. For political parties and politicians, it can be very difficult to bankroll an election campaign. Yeah, how are they going to bankroll their next campaign? Okay, so to bankroll, to pay for. So, like as I said, bankroll, a roll of notes or paper currency. He's got a huge bankroll in his pocket. Then this company has an extremely large bankroll. They've got large monetary assets. And then to bankroll, to fund a project, to underwrite, to support a project, to pay for. So his research was bankrolled by a large pharmaceutical corporation. Who's been bankrolling the investigation into COVID vaccines? Yeah, I wonder. Is it governments? Is it companies? Or who's really bankrolling all this investigation? Because I'm certain they spent a large amount of money on it. So, yeah, how formal? Let's see, to bankroll. I think I'd probably give this something like a 4.5 in formality. Yeah, I use it in an informal conversation. I think you might just use it in something semi-formal, but otherwise a bankroll, a roll of money, or to finance, to support, to underwrite, even more formal. And yeah, bankroll, well, the roll is obvious, and of money from the bank or cash. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To bankroll, a bankroll.